Hey guys, Austin Stanfield here with Creative Recreational Systems, and today I'm happy to feature this project in Salinas, California, just south of San Francisco. And this is one of our larger Nature Tree series structures that has some accents of tree branches and some leaves, some toppers that are really exciting, in addition to the traditional post and deck system style structure with many slides, climbers, and other components that are really going to bring that play value up. Some pour-in-place rubber. We're very proud of this project, so without further ado, enjoy.